Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's balance your core in the great outdoors with Park Bench Hypers on the path of least resistance. Find a heavy picnic table at your local park. Facing away from the picnic table, lay the front of your thighs on the bench with your pelvis extended beyond it. This is easiest if you enter the picnic table from the side. Support your torso with your fists on the ground before you start. Straighten your legs so your heels press up against the bottom of the table. Keeping your core tight, lift your fists off the ground and lean forward till you nearly kiss the ground. Fire your low back, glutes, and hamstrings to raise your back up to a no-armed plank. Then repeat. When you finish, put your fists back on the ground to dismount. Pair this exercise with a park bench crunch for a balanced core, better posture, and a bulletproof low back. And if that was easy, you probably haven't done enough of them yet. Check your equipment before every workout, have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. For more hardcore than you had before, these Park Bench Hypers are your low back helpers on the path of least resistance.